wanted to tell you a couple tips on the CNC, also talk about the laser cutter. I'll do this quickly. So the reason why that I cut these on the CNC is this thickness would have taken around 45 minutes on the laser cutter, and I would have got this cauterized black edge, and I would have had to glue them. This took 7 minutes. So my daughter's really happy with these thicker letters here. I still have to sand them, and I'm going to clear coat them because she's selling them at a fundraiser on Saturday. So here are my tips. First of all, the cheapest wood that I got was at Lowe's, but unfortunately the wood was imported from Brazil until I didn't see that till later. But this was basically joined wood that I thought had a really good look. You need to make you need to cut each piece of blank for the CNC exactly 12-inch square, and you make a jig inside of your CNC that goes in the center. That way you don't have to center it every time, and then make sure you use the clamps. If you're interested in the CNC, I have no referral program or anything else like that. It's around $1,500. It's approximately 2x4, which is really comes down to 16 inches up and bottom by 32 inches wide. I used a 1/4-inch bit, and again, this is 3/4, and I had a sacrificial part down below. I did add the grooves inside of my hold down boards, but in general, I'm really happy with that. So all in all, this project took about an hour and a half. She's gonna sell these for 20 bucks. My cost is around $2 per letter, not including my time. So anyways, I hope that helps. But the big thing is, a lot of people draw an X to show the center of their stock when they're using a CNC, and you center, or you do the X, Y, and the Z, you zero all the axis points, but you want to make sure you make a jig. The way that you're going to make money with CNC stuff is you're going to do multiple of one thing. It's very painful to do one of one thing. Every time you get it wrong. But once you hone in and get it right, like this is working, that's when you should mass produce and make a few more of them. So now I just have to get my daughter to charge enough money. So I'm hoping that the sorority, she charges at least $25 because there's hundreds of sorority members and I only cut out 10 pair. So anyways, that's it, guys. Whatever you do, make something that connects someone. I have a live show on Fridays at 4 o'clock. And if you ever want to connect up with me, put it in comments. I'll set up a Zoom meeting. But take care and have a great day. Looking forward to it cooling down here some. That was weird. Bye.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We stillin' at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot still trying to flip it out the stove. Rockin' fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour, might crash cause the good die young. Yeah, the good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Right back where I left because I know my people needed me. Diamond in the rough, I don't know what it is they see in me. Go down as a legend in my city cause we beat the streets. Trying to spread the wealth around the block, no I can't keep from me. Told me I should leave. I see the bigger picture and it's way bigger